ഈ വിവരങ്ങൾ ഉമേഷ് നൽകുന്നത്. തീർച്ചയായും നമ്മൾ ടൈഡ്സ് കേരള യൂറോപ്യൻ യൂണിയൻ കോൺക്ലേവിലേക്ക് പോകാം. അവിടെ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി സംസാരിക്കുന്നു. അതിലേക്ക് തത്സമയം.
മെഡിക്കൽ ടൂറിസം ആൻഡ് എക്കോ ടൂറിസം, placing responsible and sustainable practices at the heart of our strategy. Alongside tourism, our technology ecosystem too has flourished. Through Kerala Startup Mission, we have created one of India's most vibrant startup hubs. Our young innovators are making advances in artificial intelligence, biotechnology, renewable energy, and digital platforms. The state is equally committed to a green transition by expanding solar and wind energy projects and promoting electric mobility. Kerala is striving to build a climate resilient economy where green jobs and sustainable livelihoods become the foundation of our future. For Kerala, however, development cannot be discussed without reference to the sea. Our coastline stretches for nearly 600 kilometers, and for centuries, the ocean has defined our economy, our culture, and our identity. More than 1 million people in Kerala depend directly or indirectly on fisheries and allied activities. Fishing communities in our state are not only workers who harvest from the sea, they are also custodians of marine biodiversity and traditional knowledge. We have been modernizing fishing harbors, encouraging deep sea fishing, and introducing new technologies, while at the same time safeguarding the rights and livelihoods of small-scale traditional fishers. Our indigenous systems such as Pokali and Kaipad farming, which combine rice cultivation with prawn farming in organic cycles, are outstanding examples of climate-resilient aquaculture. These models are attracting global attention as symbols of harmony between livelihood and sustainability. In the fishery sector, Kerala is also making determined efforts to enhance post-harvest value addition, strengthen seafood processing, and diversify export markets. We see immense potential in collaborating with Europe to meet high quality and sustainability standards, thereby expanding opportunities for our fisher folk and entrepreneurs. More importantly, Kerala is embracing the vision of the blue economy. We firmly believe that the ocean is not just a source of revenue, but also a shared heritage that must be preserved for future generations. The blue economy approach, which balances economic growth with ecological sustainability, is central to our policies. This is also one of the most exciting areas for partnership between Kerala and the European Union.